Every creative project begins with a single stroke, and for many of us, the tools we choose define how far that vision can go. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are diving deep into this Huion Kamvas Pro 90. I've tested it extensively drawing for hours, exploring pen pressure and tilt settings, and also the display tablet settings. It's a versatile canvas for 3D artists, designers, and even architects who want to sketch concepts, annotate plans, and refine 3D renders. This product was sent to me from the folks at Huion, but as usual, we will look at this product in detail, including the pros and cons. I'm Salman, an architect and an illustrator. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so we can create more amazing content like this. So let's get started. The box itself comes in an eco-friendly billboard packaging. It has a very minimal abstract pattern outside. I am so used to seeing high detail graphics on the display tablet boxes, so this was a surprise for me. On the rear side of the box, we have all the major features of the tablet printed. Let's look at the contents of the box. When you first open the box, you'll find the Kamvas Pro 19 tablet, which is protected by high quality packaging. A document from Huion. We have a printed sheet of millboard which specifies the parts of the tablet and instructions to connecting it. The pen case with dual pens, drawing glove, a box with the key dial mini, adapters for the tablet, cleaning cloth, and a bunch of cables. The quality of all the components and the cables feels sturdy and well built on the first glance. Let's unwrap the tablet and see the first impressions. The tablet itself has a sleek aluminum body, giving it a premium look and feel. Holding it, the build feels surprisingly solid. At around 2 kg, it's not light, but the aluminum body gives it a premium and sturdy presence. One of the first things I noticed was a small sheet tucked inside, the factory calibration report. At first, it just looks like a bunch of graphs, but it's actually proof that every screen is tested before it leaves Huion. As for the tablet itself, the aluminum build gives it a solid, almost industrial quality. At the back, we have 4 screws if you want to connect it to an additional stand. And on the sides, you'll find 2 built-in stands that fold out smoothly. And they are sturdier than I expected. Once it's on the desk, it doesn't wobble even when you're sketching quick strokes or leaning in close. On the right side, we have 2 USB-C ports, a headphone jack, and on the top, we have the power button and an indicator and a Bluetooth switch for the key date. Now, the screen itself is beautiful, sharp, vibrant, and big enough to feel like it's proper canvas. There's a light anti-glare coating that helps diffuse reflections, so under normal indoor lighting, it's perfectly fine. But under a strong overhead light, you'll still find a bit of glare. The upside is that this coating keeps the image crisp and colors accurate. Inside the box, one of the most satisfying little details is the pen case. It's not just packaging, it doubles as a sleek holder that feels sturdy and well thought out. Open it up and you'll find not one, but 2 pens. A standard pen and a thin Pentec 4 pen, both with improved tip sensitivity and an ergonomic design. Tucked inside the case are separate nibs, along with the metal ring tool to swap them out. And for anyone who sketches or drafts daily, it's comforting to know that you have replacements on hand ready to go. The box also includes a keyboard remote known as the KDL or key dial mini, which connects via USB-C or Bluetooth. The dial is satisfyingly tactile. You can rotate it smoothly to zoom in and zoom out of drawings or adjust brush sizes without breaking your flow. There are also customizable shortcut keys laid around it. For long work sessions, it genuinely speeds up things, making the entire experience more natural and efficient. We have an adapter, and depending on where you are in the world, plug types can vary. They're compact, easy to swap, and snap into place securely. I did have a bit of trouble while plugging this in, which I'll talk about in the next parts. We have 2 sets of cables. The main one is a 3-in-1 cable that handles power, USB, and HDMI all at once. It keeps the setup clean, with fewer wires cluttering the desk. There's also a C to C cable if your laptop or PC supports it, which is even neater. The Kamvas Pro 19 measures roughly 18.4 inches. After using multiple tablet sizes, from 13-inch to 22-inch displays, I found 19-inch to be the sweet spot. There's plenty of space for sketching broad strokes, annotating plans, or working across multiple layers in a render. But at the same time, it's not too oversized to the point of being unmanageable. It's slim, surprisingly lightweight for its footprint, and easy to move around the studio or shift from desktop to laptop. You won't be able to slip it into your backpack like a small tablet, but it's portable enough to carry between home or office. One thing to note is that this tablet requires a power supply due to the 4K display. Unlike smaller, more portable models, you can't just power it via USB-C. Additionally, it doesn't come with a stand by default, although you can attach a VESA mount or purchase a separate support. This means it's better suited for a studio setup rather than traveling on the go. For me, it feels like a hybrid. It's big enough to act as your primary workstation, but at the same time, it's flexible enough in how and where you want to use it. Connectivity in Kamvas Pro 19 is straightforward but versatile. The tablet comes with multiple options so you can tailor it to your setup. There's a 3-in-1 cable that handles power, USB and HDMI in one go, which keeps your desk clean and reduces clutter. You can also use the USB-C to USB-C connection, making setup even simple. I spent a long time trying to connect it to my laptop, only to realize that not all laptops support the USB-C for display. Another problem that I mentioned earlier was that the adapter port is connected horizontally and not vertically for the Indian plugs. So the connection kept becoming loose and disconnecting very often. I then used an additional adapter to connect it with the American cord. On the tablet itself, the ports are easy to access and well labeled. You've got a power, USB-C and HDMI, and even a headphone jack for the stylus. For architects or designers who need to plug in different systems, this flexibility is invaluable. You can switch between setups without hunting for adapters or struggling with incompatible cables. The 4K display is one of the tablet's standout features. It's bright, vibrant, and highly detailed, covering 90% of the sRGB color space. You can switch between color modes easily using the power button and pen controls. This makes it perfect for architects when presenting renders, diagrams, or client-ready plans. The multi-touch screen allows pinch to zoom, rotation, or gesture controls, which can be customized through Windows or software-specific settings. You can turn off touch with the slider on the side. The pixel density is high enough to make even fine details sharp, which is especially helpful when working with floor plans or 3D architectural models. The new Pentec 4 technology really shines here. The pressure sensitivity is incredibly precise. You can make delicate light strokes or press harder for bold lines, and the tablet picks up every subtle variation almost instantly. The pressure curve can be fine-tuned in the software. The pen reacts exactly how you want it. For architects, this level of control is a game changer. It means quick sketches don't feel clunky, annotations on digital plans are accurate, and even intricate 3D renders can be refined without awkward jumps or inconsistencies. The tablet itself can lie flat on your desk, or you can use the fold-out stand at the back to adjust the angle to your comfort. The stands are sturdy. Because of its size, you can position the keyboard, key dial, and the tablet in a layout that feels natural for long sessions. The surface texture of the screen also adds just enough resistance so your pen doesn't slip, reducing fatigue during extended use. For architects, illustrators, or 3D artists, this means you can spend hours working on concepts or detailed plans without constantly readjusting your posture. The 4K display has 8 million pixels, giving you a high PPI and incredible sharp visuals. If needed, you can scale down to 2K or Full HD, but 4K ensures the best details and clarity. Keep in mind that running in 4K does require a suitable graphic card. Older systems may need to lower the resolution for a smooth performance. So what makes the Kamvas Pro 19 stand? First, the display, a huge vibrant 4K screen with excellent color accuracy. It's perfect for architects and designers who need precise color representation. Next, the pen experience. With Pentec 4, the pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition are smooth and highly responsive. The build quality and ergonomics are also strong points. The aluminum frame feels premium, the fold-out stands are sturdy, and the layout allows for comfortable long sessions without fatigue. Then, there's versatility and connectivity. Multiple cables and ports make it easy to set up with desktops, laptops, or even dual setup monitors. The included key dial speed up your workflow and reduce repetitive movements. Finally, the extras like the pen case, spare nibs, and touch toggle add convenience and make this tablet a complete professional-ready package. First, portability. At 19 inches with a dedicated power supply, it's not the kind of tablet you can simply slip into your backpack for on-the-go work. It's more suited for a desktop or a studio kind of setup. While the 3-in-1 cable handles power, HDMI, and USB, it's on the thicker side and a little stiff, which can make crafting on a crowded desk slightly tricky. Another small issue is heat. When the tablet is running at full brightness for long periods, it can get warm around the top edge. It's not a deal breaker, but worth noting if you often work for long hours. Finally, while the screen has anti-glare coating, strong overhead lights can still produce minor reflections, and there's no physical brightness control on the tablet itself. Overall, these are minor issues compared to the features and performance that this tablet has to offer, but you might still have to keep these in mind if you're going to switch to a tablet for frequent workflow and in different lighting conditions. To wrap things up, Huion Kamvas Pro 19 is a professional-grade tablet that truly delivers on performance, precision, and versatility. The build quality, sturdy stance, and thoughtful extras really shows that Huion designed it for serious long-term use. If you're looking for a drawing tablet for long-term use with an immersive drawing experience, then this is the tablet you might need. If you're ready to get your hands on this tablet, check out the link in the description for the purchase link. That was it from this one. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button and share this with your friends. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. You can follow me on Instagram and the handle is right here. I'll see you on the next one.